Yeah, she is hot. You got the intercooler fan is rocking and rolling, and the oil cooler fan is rocking and rolling. Just got back from a cruise, guys, doing some turbo greatness, and we got a new dipstick. Can you see it? It's way down in there. Oh, it's a locking oil dipstick. Pretty cool stuff from Ross. Ross Wolf Enterprise got a couple new stickers up here. Ross Wolf, and what's that? King VW61. He's on Instagram. Check out the description below if you want to check him out. Right after the intro, guys, we're going to be getting back to it when it comes to the 2024 calendar drawing. This video is all about the drawing. We're just going to be doing the drawing today, so stay tuned. After the intro, who won it? Who won the calendar? See you in a second, guys. Turn off the fans, man. I can barely hear myself think when those going. I had to take Goose out for a cruise and wash and scrub. By the way, welcome to 2024. Yeah, guys, Happy New Year. I filmed this before the New Year started. Envy says hello as well, and Goose says hi. How you doing? It's time for to do that calendar drawing. Getting right into that. Gonna have to go upstairs to do that, and I'm gonna talk about a little bit of something else that's coming in the new year. I wanted to guys show you some of the stuff that's happening along with the 40 horsepower build. Some of you guys have been asking, hey Jay, where's the rest of the videos for the 40 horsepower build? Well, you see, what happened was I got a little dismotivated when I did the solid rocker upgrade. The stock push rod tubes, not push rod tubes, stock push rods would not fit. My guess is I need a little more clearance, probably about 40 thou, 50 thou clearance to be able to get them to fit the way they're supposed to. And I'm thinking about just tearing it apart and going ahead and just add some spacers. It's not going to throw off my compression ratio that much, and I can use the stock push rods, because right now the stock ones won't fit, and I don't want to cut a bunch of push rods that aren't stock for this. Nothing special when it comes to that length. So, see you guys in a second. Going upstairs, do the drawing, and yeah, that's what we're doing. Ooh, magic upstairs. Let's go ahead and knock that bad boy out of the park. So the video first is the air-cooled spark plug video. So let me grab the link to the video. Hop on over here to the random generator. This will go ahead and select the person who's winning the calendar. Yay! Get the comments. I don't know what that is. I guess they want us to pass a test. Get the comments. 21 comments for the video. And let's go ahead and start the raffle to see who wins the 2024 calendar. And we got Clinton Willoughby. Is that the Willoughby 7606? Congratulations, buddy. You are the winner of the calendar. Don't forget to hit me up with your address so I can ship it out to you via email. Down in the comments will be my email. Or you can jump on over to the Facebook group and jump on Messenger. Facebook Messenger. Look me up. I'm on there. Jason Terwilliger. And shoot me your address, and I'll shoot you over the calendar. Congratulations, buddy. And now, back to the video, guys. All right, guys, back downstairs. Congratulations once again to our winner of the 2024 calendar. Don't forget to email me or hit me up on Facebook Messenger with your address, and I'll get that shipped out right away so that you got your new calendar for the new year, 2024. Yeah. So what's going on besides the 40 horsepower build? I want to say a big thank you to King VW61. Check him out on Instagram, guys, down below. He's down there. If you're not following him already, he's got like over 100,000 followers, so you might be following him already. He's got a monster 2387, 23 something, naturally aspirated beast of an autocraft engine. So definitely worth checking him out. At the workbench. So he's got his own little company going on where he's doing some cool custom gear. This is a coupler for your shift coupler, and what I'm going to go ahead and do, it's an upgrade from the early coupler, and I'll show you right off to the side here. Early coupler. Ooh. Yeah, this too. Early coupler that you can get rid of that. What you do is you chop your shift rod and you weld in this bad boy, and then what you do is you end up having this solid, high speed, low drag unit. We're gonna be doing a video on this, pretty sweet. But say you want to keep your kind of stock setup on the early models, he also offers this solid mount to make things a little bit more, I guess, shifty. Great shifts, get things done. Delrin shift bushing or rod bushing. This will guide your shift rod a little bit better inside of the tunnel. So all that stuff's coming soon, guys, in a video. Probably gonna be doing a 40 horsepower build video. Ooh, sorry about that. Ooh, 40 horsepower build video, and then we'll be getting on the shift coupler upgrade for Goose. What is this right here? This is for your crank. He makes this pretty badass. Man, this is really well made, actually. Some fantastic tooling going on here. So check him out, guys. Check out his Instagram and get some info on what the website is to go pick up your own. Because, yeah, who doesn't love cool upgrades for their VW? Thanks again, man. That's King VW 61. One more money shot for you guys before we close out this video. Really short one, just sending out a little bit of update of what's going on. And yeah, welcome to the new year, guys. Don't forget to my winner of the calendar. Hit me up with your address so I can ship it out to you. That's free of charge. See you guys in the next video. This is Jason with JWClassicVW, and we're out of here.